How was it with ice, mate?
Just had a pint in the oldest pub in Australia.
Some lovely locals in there.
Yeah, we just got harassed by an Aboriginal lady. She was lovely. And apparently Indonesia's invading Australia, supposedly. Who knew? Yeah, so we just got to Edith Falls, lovely place. Just met by this sign. Crocodile safety. You can swim, but there may be crocodiles.
Also the fish will get us as well, brilliant.
Yeah? Great. I'm getting filled with so much confidence going in here. You go first.
Oh no!
You go that side, and then we've got this guy this side, I'll you in the middle.
Sorry with the idea. Just the sign kind of put me off a little bit.
Why did you have to have that side? You want to be over there to get
Over there, but when there's a crocodile in here. Edith Falls, as you can see in the background.
croc infested?
Yeah, we've been told by a local that it's guaranteed to have freshwater crocodiles in here. But they only come out at night.
You're safe.
Just take one wrong one and
We've got the river behind us where the salt crocs come up.
yeah.
So apparently they do surveys and check that there's none here, so I feel a lot safer.
You've got to go that way a bit more the other way.
I think we did that in about 7 minutes.
Things we do for a video. Risking life and limb here. Don't say that. Woo-hoo-hoo. This could be the last video. I just heard a load of cheers somewhere in the distance. Not all the way. Well, I'm not going off the edge. Well, hopefully not. It's not the idea. I'm afraid, ladies and gentlemen, that's as far as I'm about to go. Now it's just about getting up.
taxi. Got a dot in the distance. Can you see it better?
Running or something? Or
Nothing for miles around. Come on, mate. You can do this.
Oh, I'm
Oh.
heard it pop.
Oh, mate, you're doing
Mate,
it the wrong way. Do it with,
hurt so much.
don't do it with your thumb, do it with your inner palm. You're fucking this up big time here. Go on. Inner palm.
Come on, mate. Oh. Oh.
He's just attacking the bottom now with a light.
Light is
Fuck's
falling
sake.
apart.
No.
It's
Give
so
it back.
easy. All you do is put the light under there, put the thumb
Don't
there.
do it, because he can't. Ah!
Can't wait till I get in the middle to give you guys a taste of your own goddamn medicine. And sprawl out like Mark does every single night.
I've been here 10 nights. I'm like a flat jam sandwich.
Mate, you sprawl out. As soon as you go to sleep, you just spread out like a starfish and take all the room.
Kidding me? I've got him rolling on me. And I've got you bashing me backwards.
Bashing him backwards, fucking hell, I don't know what's going on here, but...
I get pushed up against a corner. I can't move.
Yeah, mate, honestly, we both spend our nights impaled on the side of the tent while you starfish out. And the best of
You
times.
kick me in the face during the night.
Yeah.
I feel like these lies are just for the camera, really.
that's
Aren't
not-
they? You do that on purpose, you dickhead. Get back in your corner.
Yeah, that's it, a corner. That's all I